This is Ryan. That's. Tell me your name.
Oh, Amber. They know my name.
Unfortunately, this is true. This is your Friday fix. We're gonna look at some wall work. Let's pretend that Amber was able to get positioned against me on a wall, okay? Use your imaginations. You'll have to. Nobody's gonna believe this.
I'm editing all this
So
out.
no you're not. This is the good stuff. So I can't allow this. And there are a few things I can do to strip this. I could use my shin, punch her in the face. But I want to reverse position, and again, there are a lot of ways to go about that. So I'm gonna kind of go flat palm to chest here, and then working against the thumb, look to go to inside bicep here. Then I'm gonna transition down to her wrist. When we talk about grabbing the wrist, this is grabbing the wrist, this is also grabbing the wrist. If I can get thumb and index finger kind of around where her wrist and hand meet and control more of the hand, that's what I would like to do. Obviously, some people are gonna have hands that I'm not gonna be able to get my hand around, but if I can, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get heavy here, okay? Just kind of look to hang my weight on her. When I feel her start to resist, I'm gonna release this. I'm gonna go find her face and put her back against the wall. Now from here, I've got my head position. I'm gonna take my shoulder, go from head pressure to put my shoulder in her sternum this way, and I'm heavy. Same side knee is deep this way. Pressure, 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 pressure. I'm gonna drape my hands at her knees and pull her away from the wall.
It's been a little while. I wasn't ready.
So, one more time. Big imaginations. Strip the hand, bicep, wrist. Heavy, heavy. I feel resistance. I'm gonna put my bicep in her face, put her against the wall. I get head pressure. From my head pressure to shoulder pressure. Same side knee in between her legs. I'm gonna pull her legs out from underneath her. Boom. Sit her straight down. If it's a fight, I'm gonna go heavy pressure here. I'm gonna stomp her head against the wall. Disengage, get out. That's your fix. Go drill it.